How to connect Godaddy domain to Shopify. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Shopify store. Alright, so let's begin. Over here, start by opening Shopify and going to your store dashboard. Then go to settings in the bottom left corner and click on domains. After that, click on connect existing domain and type in your domain. Next, go to GoDaddy and click Manage DNS for the domain you're connecting. Then scroll down and add the required records. First, create a CNAME record. For the name, type www, and for the value, copy shops.myshopify.com and paste it. Leave TTL on default, then click Save. After that, create an error record. For the name, type at, and for the value, copy the provided IP address and paste it. Then click Save. Once the records are updated, go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Shopify will confirm the connection. Then set your domain as the primary domain by selecting it and choosing primary domain. Finally, wait for the changes to propagate. It may take a few hours, but in many cases, it updates instantly. Test your domain and it should redirect to your Shopify store. So that's basically how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.